how to fix Microsoft Store not downloading apps or not opening. In order to fix this issue, first go to Windows and right-click on the Microsoft Store, click on App Settings, scroll it down a bit, and here on the reset bar you will be able to see it repair. First, click on Repair, and after it is repaired, click on Reset. And after this, reopen the Microsoft Store again, and it should help to fix your problem. But if it is not working, I've got another option for you. Go to Run command and type services.msc. Here search for Windows Update and change the startup type to automatic. Click on Start and click on Apply. Click on OK. And after this, restart your computer and reopen the Microsoft Store, and this should help to solve your problem. But still, if you're getting the issue of not being able to open the Microsoft Store, what you can do is simply go to your troubleshooter and click on Other Troubleshooters. You can see Windows Store apps at the bottom of the screen. Click on Run to help us solve your Microsoft Store not opening or downloading apps problem. But even after doing all of these things, if you're being unable to run the Microsoft Store, what you can do is go to Run and type wsreset.exe and hit Enter. After a while, Microsoft Store will launch again, and this should help solve your problem. And if you find this tutorial helpful, to subscribe and don't forget to leave us a like and comment.